Oh, jeez. Is this the weekly test? Oh. Oh, jeez. Oh, shoot, this one's going off, too. Oh, shoot. Oh, we got a flash flood watch. Hello, everybody. I was just done watching some TV. I realized I need to go plug in my phone. And I believe my weather radio went off, so I'm gonna go check that out. Yes, it did. Flash flood warning. My weather radios went off. Cool. Okay, everybody, we got another one. Repeat, we got another one. My phone went off, and my radios went off.
3.5 inches of rain have fallen during the past several hours. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Flash flooding caused by heavy rain.
Source gauges. Rain gauges, just in case, if you didn't know.
And underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Virginia Beach, Franklin, Ahoskie, Murfreesboro, Windsor, Garysburg, Rich Square, Hollander, Gatesville, Holland, Sunbury, downtown Suffolk, Chowan University, Deep Creek, Churchland.
Here comes my cat coming to investigate. I think. I don't know where my cat is. I hear all the bells. Yep, there. And then my alarm just went off for school. Yep. Yeah, shut up.
In southeastern Virginia, Isle of Wight County in southeastern Virginia, James City County in southeastern Virginia, Southampton County in southeastern Virginia, southeastern Surrey County in southeastern Virginia, central Sussex County in southeastern Virginia, York County in southeastern Virginia, the city of Emporia in southeastern Virginia, the city of Hampton in southeastern Virginia, the city of Newport News in southeastern Virginia, the city of Poquoson in southeastern Virginia, until 4:45 p.m. At 10:52 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, local law enforcement reported road closures throughout Isle of Wight County.
Ooh.
In addition, flooding is already occurring across other parts of the warned area. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. While the heaviest rain has ended, additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area during the next several hours. Some locations that will experience flooding include Newport News, Hampton, Franklin, Smithfield, Emporia, Cortland, Wakefield, Boykins, Surrey, Christopher Newport University, Patrick Henry Field, Virginia Institute for Marine Sciences, Gloucester Point, Seaford, Langley Air Force Base, Dahlia, Hampton University, Isle of Wight, Northampton, and Ivor. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
What EAN have you
Repeating,
detected?
an aerial flood warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties. In Virginia, Isle of Wight, James City, Southampton, Surrey, Sussex, and York, and the following independent cities. In Virginia, Hampton, Newport News, and Poquoson.
So, hang on. I'm not sure if they're going to say it again, but spotter activation has actually happened now. We have spotter activation happening. That is, I don't know what to think of that. It's typically bad. Got another alert. Nothing new though. Oh boy, we got a river flood warning. This is definitely going to activate it. There it goes. Finally, we got something.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flood warning for the Blackwater River above Franklin.
Oh shoot.
From this evening until further notice. At 10:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday, the stage was 7.9 feet. Flood stage is 10.8 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening and continue rising to a crest of 14.1 feet tomorrow evening. Impact at 12.3 feet, a portion of flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 14.5 feet on September 4, 2006. The 11 a.m. area weather observations. At Norfolk, heavy rain and fog. Temperature 66, dew point 65. Relative humidity.
It's not showing up on my watch.
Wind northeast, 10 miles an hour.
Not good.
Pressure.
Got a flood warning. This is definitely gonna go off.
Issued at 12:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flood warning for northern Bertie County in northeastern North Carolina, Gates County in northeastern North Carolina, northern Harrisburg County in northeastern North Carolina, Northampton County in northeastern North Carolina, southeastern Grainsville County in southeastern Virginia, southern Isle of Wight County in southeastern Virginia, southeastern Southampton County in southeastern Virginia, the city of Chesapeake in southeastern Virginia, the city of Franklin in southeastern Virginia, the city of Norfolk in southeastern Virginia, the city of Portsmouth in southeastern Virginia, the city of Suffolk in southeastern Virginia, the western city of Virginia Beach in southeastern Virginia until 6 p.m.
Stuttered
At
there, Tom.
12:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, trained weather spotters reported numerous road
There
closures
it
in
is.
the warned area.
Spotters.
Flooding is already occurring. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. While the heaviest rain has ended, the threat for flooding will continue for at least the next several hours. This replaces the flash flood warning that was previously in effect for the warned area. Additional rainfall amounts of
Right here.
5 to 1.5 inches are possible for late afternoon. Some locations that will experience flooding include Virginia Beach, Franklin, Ahoskie, Murfreesboro, Windsor, Garysburg, Ridge Square, Hollander, Gatesville, Holland, Sunbury, downtown Suffolk, Chillicothe University, Deep Creek, Kirkland, downtown Portsmouth,
Hey,
Creek,
get out of there.
Old Dominion University,
Get back.
downtown
Back, you
Norfolk,
demon.
Norfolk State University. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or
What?
occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately.
Why?
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county, Gates, North Carolina, and the following counties, in Virginia, Isle of Wight and Southampton, and the following independent city. Issued at 12:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Flash flood warning for...
Updated flash flood
The
watch.
flash flood watch continues for a portion of northeast North Carolina, including the following areas: Bertie, Camden, Chillicothe.
Just in case if you don't know, it's already expired according to my radios, but it's right here. Weekly tests are about to die.
Rain that fell overnight, 0.5 to 1.
Yeah, it's getting bad again. What the fluff? What is this alert? Oh, that sounds awful.
Issued at 12:56 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flood warning for Northampton County, Virginia, the city of Norfolk in southeastern Virginia, the city of Virginia Beach in southeastern Virginia, until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday.
Is this still blinking?
12:56 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The public
Oh my gosh, it is.
closures in
I got an alert. Is this gonna set off my radio? No. But we've got a new alert.
issued at 1:51 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
We have a new alert apparently. Let's see what it's about. Cancel the flood warning. Oh, it's an issued flood warning right here. Right? Yeah, it's right here. Got another one. recorded one like 2 minutes, like 2 seconds ago. Our road ain't even flooding anymore.
Flooding is already occurring. Between 3 and 6 inches of rain have fallen today. While the heaviest rain has ended, the threat for flooding will continue
Oh,
for
jeez.
at least the next several hours. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area through the remainder of the day. Some locations that will experience flooding include Windsor, Hartford, Allender,
My
Windfall,
camera has an
Brillen,
eye.
Lewiston, Woodville, Powellsville, Roxbury, Coleraine, Rocky Hawk, Valhalla, Tyner,
Whoa.
Belvedere, Snug Harbor,
My
Burgess,
weather rating is
Chapman
actually
Oak,
kind of getting
Midway, Kelford,
overheated.
Askewville, and Mount Gould.
Oh no, that was my phone. Never
A
mind.
flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Chowan, Pasquotank, and Perquimans. Issued at 1:54 p.m.